Hi everyone, welcome back to SEO class. I'm Shajib, an SEO specialist. In today's video, I'll show you how to properly audit a website using one of the most powerful SEO tools out there, SEMrush. Whether you are looking to optimize your own site or a client's, this step-by-step guide will help you uncover the critical issues and boost your ranking. Let's dive in. First, let's navigate to the site audit tools on SEMrush. This tool analyzes your website health by identifying error, warning, and notice that could affect your SEO performance. To get started, click on Site Audit. Then create a new project. Enter the domain name. Here you will enter the domain name of the site you want to audit. Project name optional. Then click on Create Project. Site Audit Setting. SEMrush allows you to customize the crawl setting based on your specific needs. For example, you can limit the number of page crawled, exclude specific directories, or crawl only subdomain. Okay, now click on Start Site Audit. It's important to set the crawl scope correctly to ensure you are analyzing the most critical part of the website. Once the audit is complete, you will see a dashboard with your site's health score. SEMrush categorizes issues into errors, warnings, and notices. Errors are critical issues that need immediately attention. Warnings are important but less critical. Notices are general recommendation for improvement. Click on Issues. Error. For example, here 6 broken link that needs fixing. Broken link hurt user experience and can negatively affect your SEO. One of the best features of SEMrush is its actionable insights. When you click on an issues, SEMrush provides details about what's wrong and how to fix it. For instance, if it's a missing meta description, you can add on directly to the page or through this error systematically starting with the most critical ones. This will have the biggest impact on your SEO performance. After addressing the issues, you can generate a comprehensive report to share with your team or clients. These reports are customizable and can help communicate the progress made during the audit. Clients love seeing details, insights, and this report help demonstrate the value of your SEO efforts. Remember, website audit aren't one-time tasks. Regularly auditing your site, especially after major update or content changes, is key to maintaining top-notch SEO performance. Make it a habit using SEMrush to monitor your website health. And that's it for today's video. I hope this guide will help you perform effective website audit with SEMrush. If you found this video helpful, please share it with others and stay tuned for more SEO tips and tricks. Have any question? Please drop them in the comment below. I will be happy to see you in the next video.